It's about validation of the message that we all need to hear, that it's okay not to be okay. Hey everyone, Jeffrey Schlissel here, and I just wanted to give you some exciting news. Craveable Obsessed, Journals of a Food Addicted Chef, just made the shortlist for the Gourmet Cookbook Awards. Can't believe it. This cookbook isn't just a collection of recipes. It's a deep personal journey. For years, I struggled with food addiction as a coping mechanism for the chaos and pain in my life. Writing Craveable Obsessed was my way of taking back control, turning something that was destructive into healing and joy. For me, cooking became a form of mindfulness. It taught me to slow down and be present, be mindful, to reconnect with myself in ways I never thought possible. And that's kind of like where the recipes came from. Not only to nourish your body, but to create space for mindfulness, reflection, and even joy in the kitchen. Being on the shortlist of the Gourmet Cookbook Awards isn't just about the book or the recipes. It's about validation of the message that we all need to hear, that it's okay not to be okay. This nomination is proof that the conversation about mental health, recovery, and mindfulness through food resonates, and that's what I'm most proud of. This book was written for anyone who has ever felt that they weren't enough, like you were battling something alone. I want you to know that you're not alone. Whether you're struggling with food, mental health, or navigating life, there's hope. And there are plenty of tools out there. This isn't just about me. This is about showing it's okay not to be okay. Thank you for being a part of my journey. If you haven't picked up the book, head over to Amazon. Check it out.